Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have WhatsApp application for mobile and I'm going to show you how can you easily change wallpaper. At first click on these three dots at the top and then click on settings. Here you have to scroll down to chats and then in chats you have to click wallpaper. Here as you can see we have a button change. Here you can change light dim wallpaper to dark, and here we have some dark in our gallery, bright, my photos, and it's our gallery photos, or some solid colors like over here. And for example I want to change my wallpaper to whole black. Now I have to click set as wallpaper, and that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.